Welcome to today's meditation. Whether you are new to meditation or already have some experience, you may sometimes feel drowsy or lacking energy during the practice. Of course, one reason could be lack of sleep. Once your eyes are closed, sleepiness can arise naturally. This is not a bad thing. However, drowsiness is often caused by scattered attention and difficulty staying focused. In the previous session, we emphasized not getting lost in wandering thoughts. Similarly, when sleepiness naturally arises, there is no need to resist it. When you notice your attention beginning to drift, simply observe your inner urge to fight against the drowsiness. If you let go of this inner struggle and simply become aware of the sleepiness, then gently bring your awareness back to the breath. You may find that the drowsiness eases a little. As usual, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed and settle comfortably into your seated position. Now, with a soft gaze, look gently forward. Then begin a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Notice if there is a subtle pause between the inhalation and exhalation. At the end of your next exhale, slowly close your eyes. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Breathing gently in and out through the nose. Next, become aware of the contact between your body and the environment. Feel the support of the seat beneath your hips and the ground supporting your feet. Now, bring your attention back to the breath. Feel its gentle rise and fall. If you notice drowsiness arising during the practice, remember, there is no need to resist it. There is also no need to feel ashamed of wandering or feeling sleepy. Without any judgment, simply notice it as soon as it appears, and gently bring your attention back to the breath. Now, let's begin counting the breaths from 1 to 10. As you inhale, silently count 1. As you exhale, count 2. Then 3. When you reach 10, begin again at 1 and continue in this way. If you find yourself frequently wandering while counting, you can try counting only one breath at a time. Inhale 1. Exhale 2. Then simply repeat 1, 2. Remember, wandering is a natural part of the training. Whenever you become aware that your mind has wandered, all you need to do is calmly and gently bring your attention back to the breath. Now, let go of any focus on the breath. Allow your mind to fully relax and do whatever it wants. Think whatever it wants to think. Next, bring your attention back to the contact between your body and the chair, and between your feet and the ground. Take a moment to listen to the sounds around you. At this point, you may choose to keep your eyes closed and rest a little longer. Or you can slowly open your eyes. Before you continue with the rest of your day, you may remain seated for a moment. and gently notice how you feel right now. Reflect on today's practice. How was your mental state? Did drowsiness appear? If you often feel like you're about to fall asleep during meditation, try this before you begin your next session. Imagine a bright, warm sunlight streaming in through the window, lighting up the floor and the walls around you, creating a bright, clear space in your mind. Also, when counting the breath, you don't always have to count from 1 to 10. You can simply count one breath at a time if that helps you stay present. The techniques in meditation are not fixed. Making gentle adjustments according to your own needs will often bring better results. This concludes today's training. See you in the next session.